Hello everyone, it is Andrea and I am sick and I can't hear myself think, but I am coming at you with today's new release video, which will be for Wednesday as per usual. I think both my mics are on, so I need to turn one of them off, but yeah, okay. So I think that that's more like it. So let's go ahead and just get rolling on into it. I have a lot of releases here, so let's just go ahead and snap right on through them. Let's go through the reminders first. First thing is the reminder for the August 2024 add-on options for the mystery that shipped last week. The reveal is on the channel, and yeah, these will be up all of August. I put them up a little bit late. I apologize for that, but they are here for the next couple of weeks. The next thing is the squad samplers. You could either purchase these individually or you can choose one for your $75 freebie, which y'all seemed to like that last month. So I'm just going to flip through these really quickly so you could see the updated colorways. Going to try and use my words wisely this week because my brain already hurts. Then we have the new freebie lineup for August. $300 freebie is always a random ultimate kit. $150 freebie is always a random foil bundle. And then the $75 freebie, like I said, is either one of those sheets that I just showed you, or you can choose this one, which is really cute. It is the, I think they were premiered last month, little destination stickers. So that's that. And then the freebie in all orders is this journaling card, which is perfect for fall. And then 4 pieces of random foil as per usual. I'll remind you about that many a times to continue. So then we'll move on into 3 new grab bags I have for y'all. The first one here is a 50-piece script grab bag, and these are all going to be the same. This is version 3, I believe. I think version 2 has a couple left, but I'll just give you a quick visual flip. There's a lot of widths in this one, with the fam, with the kids, with the boys, with the girls, etc. But there is a lot of sheets in here, and yeah, this will be on the new release section, and it's going to be version 3, I believe. I'll probably put this one on discount this week as a little incentive to pick her up. Maybe I'll also discount the rest of version 2 as well for the 50-piece. And then I also will be listing a grab bag of foil bundles, and it's going to be 5 random foil bundles. And if you order more than one, I can't guarantee no duplicates though. But for example, this one has Silver Snow, Lavender Hollow, Sparkle, the Groovy Lemongrass, the Mixed Metal, Matte Silver, Matte Bronze Star, as well as the Sparkle in Champagne Light. So I'll go ahead and list those this Wednesday. These are kind of like the Destash grab bags and grab boxes. They usually do sell out kind of quicker, so definitely get your hands on those ASAP. And the last grab bag type thing that I have is we are going to be debuting a couple of new, they're more specific sheet grab bags, and Kirsten was like, oh, we should do a Deco sheet. So this one is the old version of the Deco sheet. So this has Deco on the side, as well as a movie marquee, some canceled and rescheduled, some boxes, some work stickers. It's honestly a nice little those super teeny passport size kind of sheet to give you a little bit of a theme, but it's going to have 10 random Deco sheets. I'll probably converse with Kirsten to make sure that all of these are the old version, and I will note that, so then maybe in the future we could also do new version ones as well. So I'm going to be listing those on Wednesday. The next thing that I have is I'm going to have a lot of reading journal stickers coming soon. Y'all loved them. I was kind of blown away quite a bit actually as to how many of y'all ordered reading journal stickers. So thank you so much. I'm so invigorated and excited for what's to come. A lot of the requests that I've had, there's a lot of requests in the videos, a lot of DMs and things like that, emails even, and just keep them coming. I have a list going, but one of the biggest one was Deco pieces, and I am going to do some that you could color in. I think I'm going to do quite a bit actually. once I like kind of get the style I want for that going, or like find an artist of sorts, you know, the gist. But I thought I would just test out on the matte paper doing some deco sheets. I can't tell if I'm going to make this a little bit brighter or not, but I kind of like also like the colorway of these, how they turned out. But yeah, I did 4 sheets just to see what y'all thought of this deco style. I thought on the matte paper, I think I like watercolor a little bit better than I do like the deco that I work with the glossy. And I don't foresee myself, I got a lot of questions about switching to matte paper or adding matte paper as well for my stickers, and I just don't see that happening because I'm not the biggest fan of how it prints color, but this has just been requested so much that I figure I'd give it a go and see how you like it. So I just did 4 sheets to start. Obviously these are not reading journal specific, but could be used in the reading journal. I plan to, but they're on the same paper. And yeah, so let me know what you think. So the first one here is Succulents. Super cute. All the little stars are cut out. And then there is Lemons. So this would be perfect for the 7-year slip. And then Strawberry. And then Clouds, which has like stars, clouds, etc. in it. But yeah, I just figured I would try these out and see what y'all thought of these before I go making a bunch of them. But I could literally make a gazillion. So let me know what you think. But I will probably, I think next week, have another like really big reading journal release of some more of the requests. I don't think I'm going to get to all of them quite next week, but I hope to get to more than let's aim for half. I do have 2 vinyls this week, one being the Barbie car and the other being the ACOTAR book stack. This sold out last time, and this one is, I want to say, about 50% smaller. So if you have a little bit of a smaller area that you wanted one for, I went with smaller vinyls this time. Maybe next time I'll do some bigger ones, but the Barbie car and the book stack, there are limited quantities of both of those. The new doodle collection this week is Pine. I'm just like looking through all of the colors that I've done so far in this line, and I thought Pine was really nice green color going into the fall as well as the holidays. So this one will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern, and it will be on that special pricing from Wednesday through Sunday. So if you want to pick one on up, but obviously these are always available then, but just it's a little bit discounted if you order it Wednesday through Sunday. Then let's get on to the kits this week. I only have 3 kits. All of them are Halloween, one of them being a reformatted Pop Kosha kit. This one here is Heavenly Halloween. I got so many messages being like, Andrea, are you using this art? And I'm like, okay, let's do it. So this one here is a like black and white with light blue and gold elements as well. I think this one has like a lot of foils it can match with. I'm thinking even like the light blue would be really pretty with it. A silver, hollow, sparkly hollow, lined hollow. It would be even cute like silver and gold mix. Now if you want to do champagne lights, that would pop, or gold. There's a lot of things. Black sparkly foil would be also pretty epic, especially with the blue tones in here. A lot of the black sparkly foils lean that blue color, but I think it is very cute. I love the monochromatic look, and I think especially if you did decide to do the light blue with it, considering light blue is not one of the main 4 colors, I think that could be very, very cute. Also be cute with like matte bronze, matte silver mix. I think that'd be really pretty as well. Freebie and the Ultimate and Mini kits. All of the kits this week do come in Ultimate and Mini, so you have your size option there as well. Also, if you are not signed up for the Mystery, definitely do so, because every month is a great month here at the SBC Mystery kits. Doodle 2, as well as we have Label and Label 2, which is that blue color, ombre patterned, all 6 scribblers, as well as FAM. And your normal 6 FAM options. I will say that this one down here reminded me of Domi. All I can see is Domi when I see this picture. So that is everything for Heavenly Halloween. My brain's just not working. Then we have what I'm going to tell you is the Halloween kit that everyone is going to want. Everyone is going to buy, and it's just beautiful. And this is my exclusive art set for Halloween. I do have a couple of like pop culture-y ones kind of coming, I think. But this is like the main Halloween shabam, and it's Kit and Jess art. It's exclusive art you won't find anywhere else, and I am beyond obsessed with it. Like, whenever I was putting this kit together, like all the art pieces into the sticker form, I was literally screaming because Jess outdid herself. So this is Screamathon, which was Jess's idea for the kit name, and I am obsessed. Let me give you a close-up because this is like, this is next level. Like, just I'm pausing because I know you're screaming. So you have the movie store with the horror section. You have a cassette tape player, a Walkman, and your cassette tapes along with your bucket with your treats. You have a bunch of spooky VHS tapes and a lava lamp. You have a really cute little like bedroom type of Halloween scene. There is a jumper along with some VHS tapes and Goosebumps books, and outside of a house, which is very cute. And then the Beanie Babies are literally scream. They're so cute. It's annoying. I love these colors. I think this would look so good with bonfire foil or like a sparkly purple or a navy, something along the lines of that gold hollow. You want to be more subdued, matte bronze. If you want to do sparkly black, that'd be fun as well. You have the ghost here, the like child adult dressed up as a ghost, and then you have the little like kind of, is this like a Happy Meal bucket? I think it is, with the little like vampire teeth and a little orange pop. Ugh, so good. The pattern's so good, the color's so good, the element's so good, the scene's so good. And then you have this alternate VHS tape stack, and these are kind of more cutesy movies, and then kind of like one of those like, what are they called? They're like plastic, I think they're called like, they're not called like blow up, they're like blow, like, you know, the plastic like they have lights in them things. I think that's what it's supposed to be, like a ghost one. And then the freebie and the ultimate mini is the person in the Scream mask, which is just so cute. I love the way this box turned out, like the framing of the scene. I think it's adorable. So like literally obsessed, right? Again, bonfire and sparkly black probably be my like go-tos, but also I'd probably go through my purples. And there was like one purple that I had that's like kind of like a more shattered-y purple, and I think that that one would be pretty epic as well. Also comes in a mini kit, of course. You have your doodle. You have your doodle too. Oh, wait till you see the fam. They're so cute. And then you also have the fash. Well, let me show you this one first, actually. You have the label and label 2, which is this. It's like a purpley black color, but like to the normal eye, mostly black. Ombre pattern, as well as all 6 scribblers. You do have your fashion, which is alternate skin tone options for the fashions that you saw in the kit. And then just went like wild bonanza and did 3 more fashion people. Like, okay, how am I supposed to choose? Because like they're all obnoxiously cute. Like, just please stop because they're adorable. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, oh my gosh, 5, and oh my gosh, 6. I'm obsessed. It's like I'm annoyed at how obsessed I am. And I'm not a Halloween girly, but this is like everything to me. Everything. Like, this is iconic. I need a drink. I'm losing my voice. But anyways, sound down below. Tell me your thoughts and feelings because that's epic. Then we're going to go into the pop mystery for this week, which is a reformat. So we're not going to beat around the bush with her. Let's go ahead and pop her in. So I did ask for a request for pop culture kits that you wanted to see reformatted. And I went through and marked all of the Halloween ones that y'all requested a lot, and Casper was up there. Casper has not been, was formatted whenever the washi was 1 thick strip, so that's when I know it's kind of old. So I went ahead and reformatted the boxes. I think they turned out really, really cute, and I'm probably going to use this one again this year. Again, I love the purples. I think I used that purple, the shattered purple that I was telling you about with this kit, like back in the day. I love this scene. It's so cute. And it's just Jess's art, just stands the test of time. This is exclusive art, so you won't find it anywhere else. And it's beautiful. It's perfect. And the freebie and the ultimate mini is like a close-up of like the sky scene. Perfect for a quote, along with her like costume party dress. So stinking good. That is Casper. Again, exclusive art by Kitten and Jess, the one, the only, the legend, ultimate mini. And then we do have add-on options. You have Doodle, you have Doodle 2, you have Label 2 along with the like label sampler. You have the ombre, you have the pattern, and then you have all 6 of your scribblers. And that, my friends, is everything for this week. Have a nice little packed release week, and I am excited about it. Kind of getting in to the spooky season, and I'm excited for cooler weather. I'm excited for spooky spreads. I'm excited for all of these new Destash options we have for you. Let me know what you think about the deco down below. Like I said, I would still do like color in ones. I think that's been like the most requested, where you could also then color them and it kind of like fits the vibe. But I think doing these as well would be very cute. So that's everything. Hope you like this week's new releases, and I will talk to y'all in my next one. Bye.